Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to get the battery level of your phone in Sketchware. So let's start. So first of all, you have to download an application called Sharelin. From that you can get the source code of the battery level implementing now. So now let's go to Sketchware and create a project for the tutorial. So I will create as battery percentage. So this is our sample project, and I will set a text view to show the percentage of the battery. So I will set a text view and I will set a size so you can see it more soon. And on create I will set the code. So now go to Sharelin. If you don't have it, I will set the link in the description to download Sharelin. Download Sharelin and paste the code. I will send a share link in the description, so you paste that link also for the source code. So search, this is the source code, and get the battery level in Sketchware. So wait, unlock to get the source code. Okay, now it's unlocked. So this is the source code. Copy it. Now successfully copied. So this is the source code. So go to Sketchware and on create, put this code. So add the block of add source directly, put the source code and this, and you have to change the text view if the text view is changed. For now the text view is 1, the ID is 1, so it will be not become an error because the text view 1, the ID is text view 1. So now let's run the project. DX is running, so that means the source is successfully working. Okay, now install, done. So open the project and here you can see now the percent of my phone is 65 and it's done. So hope you like this video. Please subscribe and like it, and thank you.